Hey guys, welcome back to Help Quick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you how to check Affirm spending limit. But first, check your special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to look or see your spending limit here for your Affirm account, well, this one is quite easy, but there are a few things that you may want to know here. Like in this case, there are certain limits on certain services or features that you may be using inside Affirm. Now, if you're wondering what is your purchasing power, now if you're not aware yet, purchasing power is actually your purchase or the capability to purchase an item or finance an item at a single time. So if you want to see or check your purchasing power here, basically you just need to log in into your Affirm account, so either in the website or inside the mobile app. And once you've logged in into your Affirm account, you just need to click or hit the home tab and choose the check your purchasing power. Now from then on, you'll be able to see your purchasing power and also your spending limit. Now, in some cases, that's how you see your spending limit. But what if, like, for example, you have an Affirm card debit? So, or a debit card from Affirm. Well, there are certain limits to this one, but it's quite different. Now, the spending limit for it is going to be the maximum amount you can spend from your link bank account. Actually, depends on the available balance and your history with Affirm. So in this case, in some cases, if you use Affirm quite frequently, obviously your balance would actually also increase. And depending on the current balance on your account or your capability to pay for any services that you may be buying from through Affirm, well, you'll be able to basically purchase more. Now, usually the base limit that you could get on daily transactions is going to be $1,500 or $1,500. Now, monthly transactions are limited to $15,000. Now, obviously, this depends on your account. So, if you want to see your exact limit here, or if you want to see the external bank account link to your Affirm card here, so in this case, you could go and just go to the Affirm app here, go to the card tab, just look for the pay in full limit, and just tap the toggle the option that says decide later and tap the link account. Now from then on, you can find your daily and monthly Affirm card limits. Now you can go and tap the settings gear icon, settings screen, and just tap the view card limits option. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.